After 20 minutes, we take matters into our own hands, and Lambert stops the traffic.
Look at this, oh my gosh. Now, there you go, that's confidence for you.
With Chimanuka in charge, the orphan Morale is confident enough to venture out.
Whoa, oh, fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at this. The whole family.
Moira and his mother are almost the last ones to break cover and scamper over.
Absolute confidence, look.
With all the youngsters across safely, Chimanuka can stop being the lollipop man.
The boss, showing us that despite there's a road running through, this is still his jungle. I love it.
It's a great relief to see the whole family across the road in safety. This area is more densely forested than the sections we've been in before. It's crisscrossed with guerrilla trails, so there are clearly other families around. And Muguruza's arrival just adds to the numbers.
Here he comes. Oh my word. Right down onto the road. Amazing. He didn't even, I thought maybe stopping, he'd be a bit reluctant, but across he came, meters from me. To see him out in the open like this.